So today we are going to be making black garlic cookies. Black garlic pinwheels. Black garlic pinwheels. Definitely watch out for the end because it is a shocking treat that you must make for your Halloween parties. It'll definitely give you a big reaction. So stay to the end, watch what I think about it, and enjoy this video. We are making something with black garlic. I figured this would be good for Halloween. Vampire cookies, maybe? I don't know, but let's figure something out. So I have a friend here today. She's over here. She refuses to come into this video. Anyway, she's the one I make all my cookies from. Cookie recipe. She makes fantastic cookies and she's gonna try to help me make something out of this black garlic. You can find these at Whole Foods. This is the only place I've been able to find them is at Whole Foods. They come in 2 in a pack like you saw, about $5. So, but this, you said it was
like a soy sauce.
Almost like a soy sauce. It doesn't smell like a regular garlic, but I mean, I have, well, you can't really smell this. So garlic, black garlic, so they're a little smaller. They're squishy. They're a lot earthier.
Well, I'm thinking it's got like a soy sauce thing to it, so maybe if we think more like an Asian cookie.
Ooh, that could be good. I don't think I have. I thought I had soy sauce. I know I have to have soy sauce in here somewhere.
I know, but I'm thinking like an Asian kind of cookie, like a, instead of a sesame cookie, do like a garlic cookie.
I have soy sauce. I have soy sauce.
Now smell that and tell me that it doesn't smell like a little magic cake.
No.
It smells something.
It's just like a sweeter, it's like a,
Maybe like Worcestershire
sweeter,
sauce.
Yeah, I don't have Worcestershire sauce.
I know, but
It's like a sweeter, so it's like a sweet, earthy thing. So here's what it's actually black. They come in little cloves. So I think I'm gonna treat this like a regular garlic. I mean, they're already squishy though.
yeah.
I mean, they're very squishy. So, I don't know if you can see this, but it's very squishy.
So you should be able to just squeeze that thing just out of it, squeeze the meat.
So I think I'm going to just unwrap these and then just put them in a pan with some sugar, maybe a squeeze of lemon to give it some acid. And we'll see how that is. We're just gonna try it. We're just gonna taste this. Okay, so we have decided that we are going to, I'm gonna show you down here. It's kind of like a garlic simple syrup is what we did. I'll put the recipe down below because we're just making this up as we go. But we did the 2 cloves of black garlic or a pack.
Heads.
A pack, 2 heads. And then we did some lemon juice, a little bit of honey. Like I said, the simple syrup, which is equal parts of sugar and water, which in this case we only did a 1/4. I think we're just gonna kind of simmer this down, make like a little type of paste to it, and then we may do some pinwheel type cookies. I don't know, we're still experimenting, so after we get this finished, we are gonna do the cookies and I'll show you the process when we do that. Okay, so we are going to start, you're not in it. It stops like right here.
Okay.
We're gonna start our cookies and you're gonna get 1 stick of butter, unsalted, which is usually a half a cup of, I guess it's right here. And I took this out of the refrigerator and my friend gave me a little tip where if you put it in the microwave on defrost for 8 to 10 seconds, you have room temperature butter. Who knew? I didn't. You probably did, but I didn't. We add sugar. So we do all of our dry ingredients. Wait.
No, you do the wet first.
Okay.
And then you do the dry. So you're gonna do your butter and your sugar and your extract and your zest first.
Okay. So I'm gonna add my sugar. So you add your butter, you add your sugar,
You cream those together.
and we are going to cream those together.
Then you can add your egg and then milk.
As those are creaming together, we're gonna add a room temperature egg.
And 2 tablespoons of milk.
And then add our milk. And then we're gonna add some lemon zest. Oops, lemon zest. Lemon zest. Bam!
Half a teaspoon.
And so then we're adding the flour, baking powder. I do little by little. I think you're supposed to, right?
No, I mean like. My hands are clean. Yeah, it's gonna be okay because remember I told you it's kind of like a shortbread cookie. Texture-wise, it's not gonna be the same texture as like a taco chip.
Yeah.
So when we roll this out, so you're gonna roll it out into a square. It's gonna be like a shortbread cookie, but when you roll it out into a square and you smear that stuff on it, then you have to roll it up, you know.
Right, yeah. Okay. So, okay.
Just a little. We're not on the thing, are we?
Oh, no.
I am?
I can edit.
No, I don't want to be in your thing. That's about right,
Okay.
because see, it has to chill, which kind of gets everything all in. And then we roll it out, and you smear this stuff on it, and then you roll it like this. And what I have found is that it's hard to roll after it's been fridged. So we could roll it out now and smear the stuff on it and chill it as a log.
Yeah, let's do that. So, okay. You said you brought your rolling pin?
I did.
Yay. I don't have a rolling pin.
I did. So you want to put it out on the counter or wherever it is you roll things out?
So now we are going to roll this out until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick. I am not rolling this, I'm just...
Mashing.
We are making mashed cookies.
Alright, then we're going to smear the goop on.
Yes.
Stir it all up though because we added that cornstarch in there after.
Okay, so now we are going to... This is at 1/4 of an inch, about. Roughly. And now we are going to add our black garlic goo. Yummy. So you just want to spread this out a little bit so that it's all even. I think I got it all.
Now you want to roll it long ways.
This way?
Yeah.
Or?
Just roll it this way.
Okay, so we're gonna go this way.
Starting with the long edge next to you, roll it away from you.
We have our rectangle, or more or less. And now we are just, I'm going to attempt to roll this. Is it breaking? It's breaking.
Yeah, a little bit, but we can squish it together. I'll show you what we do when we're done.
There we go.
Kind of.
And roll it. Perfect.
And then you want to chill that for about an hour, and then you slice it.
Okay, so we are going to call these Dracula. Well, thank you. Okay, so they're in the fridge, and we're going to let these chill for about an hour, and then we'll take them out, cut them up, and put them in the oven. With that, I will be back, and we will show you the rest of the baking process. Okay, so quick thing. So this black garlic is actually garlic, and it's just like a garlic clove. And what they do is they ferment it for 3 weeks, and then they age it for another week, and then it becomes black garlic. Okay, so now that these have been in the refrigerator for about an hour, hour and a half, I'm going to go ahead and cut these. So now I'm just going to place these cookies on a wax paper on a cookie sheet, and then we are going to bake these on 375 for about 10 minutes. And then I think what I may do is make like a little like a lemon glaze to put over them. So I will show you that as well once I get these into the oven and baked. So let me finish this and then I'll get you the glaze. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and take out these cookies. Now the thing with these cookies are they do not rise, so you don't have to worry about them running into each other, which is nice. But they also do not get brown. So if they're getting browned, you've overcooked them. So keep that in mind. So about 9 to 10 minutes is all you need for these cookies. We are just gonna put them on a cooling rack so they can cool. Now the glaze, you definitely want to do it at a very low temperature. So I've got some butter here that I have been melting a little bit. So we're gonna get that melted, and I'm gonna add some powdered sugar and some lemon juice. I've squeezed 1 lemon juice. I'm just gonna do a little bit of juice in here and let this all melt together before I add in my powdered sugar. Now the reason why I'm doing a glaze over the black garlic cookies is that the cookie recipe does have lemon in it. So that's why I'm gonna do a small little glaze. So I've got my powdered sugar. This is kind of melted. And I'm just gonna slowly add this in. You can add more lemon juice if it gets too thick, or you can add more powdered sugar if it's too thin. So this is gonna take me just a little bit, so I'm gonna be right back and show you the final concoction. Okay, so my cookies have chilled. So they're nice and chilled, not chilled, but cooled off. And I have finished my lemon icing. So you can either dip your cookies in here or you can drizzle it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm actually just gonna drizzle it over because I really want the taste of this black garlic to come out. So this is just gonna give a little hint of that nice citrus that's already in the cookie. Just gonna kind of bring that out. Drizzle some of this on each little cookie. And what I want is I don't want to actually fully cover the cookie because I definitely want to see the spiral of the black garlic in there. So I'm just gonna drizzle it just a little bit here and there. I mean, you can put however much you want on the cookie. That is totally up to you. But I'm just going to do this. Just do a nice little drizzle over the top. Just a little drizzle on each one. I feel like Bob Ross. Just happy little trees, happy little clouds. This is like happy little drizzle. Just a nice happy little drizzle on each one. There we go. Almost finished here. Happy little drizzles. Now the drizzle will thicken up and harden as you let it cool, so keep that in mind as well. So if you don't want to put your drizzle on right away, just save it for later. There we go. You can make patterns with it. You can make crisscross. There we go. Let's give these a taste. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give these a little taste. See what they taste like. It's definitely a different taste. It's very savory. But that black garlic is actually a little sweet. It's a little earthy. It's a little sweet. But with that drizzle on top, these cookies are very good. I would definitely make these again, especially during Halloween. What Karen and I are going to call these are, we're going to call them Dracula's Curse. So, Dracula's Curse cookies. They're very good. They're very, I mean, if you like pinwheels, that's pretty much the consistency of this cookie is. But like I said, that black garlic is really, really good. So, I think you guys should actually try to make these. I think you guys would really, really like them, and I think it would be one that you want to keep in your cookie recipe book. So, when you try these, let me know. Click the link down below to subscribe, because I always like my subscribers. Don't forget to hit that little bell, because it will notify you when I do weird concoctions like this. Make sure to check out my other videos, and that little subscribe button of me, hit that as well. So with that, we are off. You guys have a fantastic day, and we will talk to you later.